What up, Instagram? Raw feeds best feed, second freeze of movement. Get a bite, get a bite, get a bite, get a bite, get that bite, girl. Good girl. Get that full bite. Yes. Remember, I made a video talking about, you know, watch. Fuck the sleeve. Good girl, good shape. Worry about the man. I don't have the resources to do what I really want to do. I'm starting to build on that, but the concept is still there. Bando style. Look, watch, watch. Let it go. Watch, 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 watch. Watch that man. Watch that man. I'll put a little pressure on the puck, but watch. Watch that man. Watch that man. Watch that man. Yeah. That's that bando sauce, nigga. That's that bando special. Yeah. Motherfuckers know. I don't know, Ruby. Ruby Red, aka Little Ms.Ratchet. Yeah. She want my hand. She knows she gotta watch that shit. Fuck me. I wish I could show you that tail. Oh, look at that tail. Happy. Happy. She gonna bite your balls when she gets older. Try to come into my yard. She ain't playing.